Hi guys, this is Silhouette Busy Up, and this is the design for today, and it's the story of, in the Bible, of the Widow of Zarephath, and it's where her flour, as she uses it, doesn't run out, nor the oil in the jar, olive oil in the jar doesn't run out, and this is how we make it. Okay, so with this one, I've coloured it in. I folded this in half, like that. And then I've cut the top of this jug out with my scissors and cut from underneath like that, because they're good to doing that. And then I've done this one. I've got to take this out, the flour bowl. So I've plunged my scissors into there, and then I can easily cut around the top of the flour bowl so that the underneath flour disappearing can appear and disappear. And this one. You can get it cut just nice and neatly. Okay, that's that one. Now, just make those a bit tidier. Okay, so next thing I do is this has got to, I've got a piece of acetate or plastic from the recycling, and I've cut a piece out. So it's got to fit. I've got a piece here. If you have a look on here, there's a little piece here that needs to be cut out to slide this through from this side to that side. So you can see the line, so I'll cut that one down there, so that I can slide the plastic through to show the flour reappearing and the oil reappearing. Is that right? Yes, I've got my slot in there. So I'll make sure that goes, yes, it slides in. Yes, so that's good. Now I'll want to slide that in there like that. So I've put some double-sided sticky tape there, the top and underneath, so that it won't veer off anywhere. What's the hair there? Okay, so if I take that off here, so that will go there. Oh, it's a bit wide that side. Cut that down a bit. It's a bit wide at one end. That's better, I can see. Cut that piece off. Okay. So now I can take these double-sided sticky tapes off. Don't want to come. One. And the bottom one. Come on. There. Now if I stick this down like that, we get our pocket. And I can slide this piece of plastic in there. In there, like that. Now I need to put a piece of card on in there to show the flower and the oil disappearing and reappearing, so the green olive oil and the brown flower. So I've got a piece of card which I shall put, have a look at this one. Oops, let's take that one out. So if I put that about in the centre like this one, stick it in there. I'll put some double-sided sticky tape on so I can do that. One. That one. Stick that about in the centre. Like that. Yeah, got a bit either end. So then I can put this in. Oops. Like that. And then I can colour in with my pens. Just a light brown and the green in that bit, and then take it out and then make it a bit bigger so that when I slide it in, it's the flower and oil appearing once the Widow of Zarephath makes up her mixture and uses it. So that's it. Ta-da! Well, I'm sure you've had fun making that, and just remember the story. It's a good one. God bless. See you next time.